Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good
Yes,
morning, sir.
Sir.
Good morning, sir.
yes. Social protection. Yesterday we had been learned that solution to social problems and different types of social issues. How to solve it? There are four methods suggested: social security, social protection, social planning, and social welfare. Today I would like to start with social protection. What do you think about protection? What is mean by social? Protect the society from the social issues. Prevention is better than cure. So, is various programs has been protect the people from the social issues. Look at this. Define social protection, policies, programs, reduce voluntarily reduce vulnerability by promoting efficient labor markets, enhancing capacity to manage social risk, and exclusion, sickness, disability, etc. So, which means the social protection. Policies and program protect the people from the vulnerability, including these various social issues. Types types of social protection. First, social assistance, cash transfer, social pensions, in-kit transfer, so economic and livelihood asset transfer to the household, then public works program, public employment program. Then social protection programs including social assistance, social transfer, cash transfer, in-kit transfer, family allowances. Then subsidies. Subsidies means grant, general subsidies, educational fee, food subsidy, fuel, housing, non-contributory, transport, support, social support services. Then social insurance, general insurance, disability, funeral, health, maternity and paternity. Paternity means for insurance for father, not only mother. Then old age, unemployment insurance, Then work injury, which means labor, for welfare for labor, protect the laborers from the work hazards. Then education, environment, financial, food and nutritional security, gender, growth, etc. The labor market and public work, including general labor market program, cash for work, food for work, purchases, sustainable livelihood, training, unemployment benefit, wage subsidies, and microfinance. So students, these are the social protection program. So this is a new concept. UNDP launch a website, socialprotection.org. When you search that in the website, you can see that. I became a content ambassador in that website. I was uploaded various contents regarding social protections. Okay, regarding social protection in South American regions. I had been work more than 3. Social planning. Social planning. What is mean by planning? What is mean by social? Planning means pre-judgment to organize a program to development of society or to solve the social issues. Look at this. Social planning. What do you think about social planning? Anderson Parker defined that development of program designed to accomplish predetermined objectives. That objective aim to solve a particular problem, for example, poverty eradication program or planning. Then contemporary social planning is unpredictable because first reason is that complexity. One planning is not fit for every society. Every villages need different plan and programs and strategy to implement. Second, number of people involved. What do you mean number of people? This, how much population is there? Then cost. Finance is a major issue. Then going changes. Unpredictable changes. For example, we know that a program launched in a particular village or community. In time that time, other disaster may become unpredictable change, maybe this flood. So which cause to difficult to implement that program. Then methods and approaches. The various government or people use unskilled methods or inappropriate. So a method is not fit for everywhere, need to adopt different flexible methods to implement these social planning programs and programs. So that is the reason why unpredictable, difficult to predict to planning. The aim of social planning, close the gap between material and social institutions. which means material means modern discoveries, modern inventions should be fit for every institutions and continuity of human valuation. Evaluate the people, their needs, then equality of workable blueprint, which means a program is satisfied should be fulfill needs of every sections of population, including urban, rural, you know, as well as tribal. Then difficulties of social planning. First difficulty is that emotional raw material, which means human factors. Human may did mistakes, so need strategies to implement the planning and program. Then scientific study lacking. For example, we know that when you go to in the street, every day they this doing a public work. Different department do different work in same place. So that is disturbing the public or people to walk or the traveling, etc. So need coordinated effect need. Every department coordinate to implement the programs. And scientific methods should be used. For example, in agriculture, and as well as sustainable methods should be adopted. The lack of workers, mainly in healthcare. For example, doctors and nurses would not like to work in the villages, which cause difficult to implement healthcare program in rural. Then wasted interest. Interest means lack of likeness. People lack of desire to adopt that programs. They're not aware of social planning, which is a very important one. Maximum of people don't know about it. What is mean by social programs? What are the social planning available in villages? So that is a difficulties in social planning, and we need to adopt new strategies to formulate social planning. Not only blindly plan is concerning the people and people need. Then social planning in India. Planning Commission formulated the program. Educational program, healthcare program, agricultural development program, rural urban development program, including nowadays, this environmental protection program. So this is a social planning is by the Planning Commission is the overall program. So this program is general one, need to implement in every section of population, need different strategies and different methods to solve the social problems, including healthcare problems, as well as economic issues, etc. Then next is that social welfare in India. Students, is social welfare solve the social problems? Yes or no? Question.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Vulnerable sections of populations need welfare. Mainly women, child, disabled, addicts. The people neglected by or discriminated by majority or other peoples. So they need welfare programs. So if they have more welfare, well-being, all other social problems may gone. For example, women welfare, empowering women can solve the problem of poverty, education, Then definition. is defined as social services, well-being of disadvantaged groups. What are the disadvantaged groups? Including women, children, disabled, etc. Well-being of entire society. Quality of life. Factors such as quality of air, soil, water, and social services, religious aspect of life, etc. So well-being means the social welfare nothing but the social well-being for the vulnerable sections of people. Not only one aspect, every aspect, including this personal aspect as well as societal aspects and environmental aspect as well, which is sustainable well-being. Then social welfare institutions, look at this. Planning Commission, Department of Social Welfare, Central Social Welfare Board, then Ministry of Social Welfare. So these are the four major institutions in India. So nowadays, look at this. Can you see that? Ministry of Social Welfare is concerning this welfare for these sections of people in the state level as well as central level. Then role of Planning Commission, set up 1950, prepare, plan and utilization of country's resources. Then formulate the program, allocate fund for welfare in the country. Look at this, in first 5-year plan, 1.60 crore rupees spent for the welfare, including welfare for old age, etc. Look at this, in sixth 5-year plan, 799.97 crore. Just imagine, this. So Indian government given lot of importance to welfare. For example, every election, the political parties various welfare packages offer, For example, after this, in the power, in this, for example, chief minister's first program is sign only social welfare program. For example, social welfare for old age. Prime Minister as well as first file or first program assent and sign the social welfare concerning women welfare, etc. So social welfare is very important to solve the social problem, promote this well-being of every individual in the society. So government concern it. Then Department of Social Welfare, 1964, Ministry of Independent Ministry in 1964. In 1985, Social Welfare Program coordinate welfare services, government, state and non-governmental organization, students, which is a very important one. From the 1985 onwards, government liberalization on welfare, not only concerning the central and state government, coordinate with non-governmental organization. Various this welfare program launched through, implemented through non-NGOs. Then Central Social Welfare Board in 1953 established, function to voluntary social organization for strengthening, improving social welfare. So this is a state and Central Social Welfare Board mainly concerning this non-governmental organizations. The program launch and support, provide guidance to NGOs to organize and execute welfare programs in our society. So this is autonomous body, there is no political influence. Take decision, anytime take own decision to implement and on welfare. Types of social welfare: women welfare, child welfare, disabled, old age, vulnerable groups, and for example minority, Harijan, etc. So this name should be keep simply in your mind: woman, child, disabled, old age, vulnerable. As well drug addicts. So these are the vulnerable sections. Then now we are going to detail about women welfare. What do you think about women welfare? Who is woman? What is welfare? The well-being of the woman in every aspect concerned by women welfare in familial, educational, economical, political well-being. Look at this. Health is a fundamental for women, for their physical well-being, mental well-being, as well as social. Define women welfare: services, physical, social, psychological well-being of women. Clear about it? So service provided by government as well as organization, political organizations as well as the non-governmental organizations. Then welfare measures, Department of Women and Child Development in 1985 formulate various programs for women welfare. Look at this, women welfare. Look at this women welfare, the welfare for minority women, mainly. Look at this. This picture, wonderful, you can easy to understand about what is meant by women welfare. Then major welfare programs and schemes. Educational program, social welfare board organize various programs. Then employment program, income generation, hostels for working women, Mahila Mandals, family life insurance institute, then commission and committees, legislation, legislative measures. First, we are going to detail about educational program. Students, you may have experience, mainly having educational loan. Everybody, every woman can get easily getting the educational loan for better learning in the higher education. For example, financial assistance for learning. Everyone, we have experiencing, Then school and college and schools established. For example, women colleges, girls schools. Did you see this in our society? Yes. Then hostels in the colleges. So for example, 50% government grant. Any hostel built by for women in the colleges, government grant is there. Then scholarship for ST and SC girls. And clothing, free clothing, adult education centers, then nutritional and family planning. So in family planning, health education is one of the important objective to welfare for women. Then Central Social Welfare Board offer various programs for women for grant, financial grant. Then create awareness mainly among the women. What are the programs are available. Then legislation to health and hygiene, women health, then action against injustice. For example, we know that in our society, the women suffer a lot. This nowadays is reducing, but the traditionally and previous, so many maximum of women difficult to talk with men. So this they experiencing discriminated by dominant men. So that time this we can concern it. This Central Social Welfare Board, this concerning the equality, gender equality. Employment and income generation program. Started in 1982-83. Training for income generation, mainly handloom, food processing. Then program implemented through corporations, autonomous bodies, and voluntary organization, NGOs. Then rehabilitation of women in distress, launched in 1977. Next, development corporation play important role, which means Women Development Corporation. Then release loan for self-employment. Starting new businesses, government grant fund, loan easily getting by women. For hostels for working women. Started in 1972. Daycare center for child. Financial assistance to build, the hostels for working women. Then advisory committee. This committee conducts study regarding that women hostels for women. Then medical and psychiatric treatment, occupational therapy, etc. Students, when you go to cities, there is lot of women hostels are available for working women, supported by the government fund. In hostels having daycare center for children. 5 Mahila Mandals. In 1954 was started basic minimum services, compromise maternity health, literacy, social welfare board, 75% of fund. So Mahila Mandals is one of the NGO which is the maximum of funds spent by social welfare board. 6 family life insurance or institute. Association for Social Health in India, in New Delhi. Family life education, training camp for social workers. Then appointment of commission and committees. What is meant by commission? What is meant by committees? Commission means a government set up a group to conduct study on women's status. Committees means group of people organized and set up by to conduct study regarding the various status of the woman. Look at this. National Committee on Status in 1974. This committee was conduct various study regarding women's status, and that study report submit to government for formulate various women welfare programs. Then committees on prison in 1980. Prison means the women who are living in jail. Then commission on National Commission on Women in 1980. Then commission on employment, self-employment. So this is one of the important this commission report is that the every woman should be start this self-employment program. For example, this committee reported that self-help group. So nowadays every village is having women's 10 or 20 women are together and start a self-help group. They collect money and 50% fund grant by the government. So this is the result of this commission's report. 8. Legislative measures. Constitution of India. Protect women rights, equal right to with men. Political rights, right to vote. Students, this is one of the important amendment in Constitution. 72 and 73rd Amendment Bill deals Panchayat Raj, 30% reservation for women. Just imagine, for example, 30% only women contestants in Panchayat elections. There is not allowed to men. So it's one of the important this initiative, constitutional amendment empowering, aim to empowering women in our society. Then Hindu Marriage Act 1955. So this is important legislation to organize and eliminate women discriminations in the Hindu family marriages. For example, mainly concerning eradicate child marriages. Then the Hindu Guardianship Act 1956, Dowry Prohibition Act 1969, Maternity Benefit Act 1961. So this is one of the important legislation. Women employees gets maternity benefit, 3-month leave with salary and other medical benefit. Then State Insurance Act, then Equal Remuneration Act 1976. Students, this is also important landmark legislation. Till 1976, men earning more money than women. The same work, men and women do same work, but women getting the less salary. So this is a legislation, equal remuneration, same as men. Then voluntary organizations, Indian Red Cross, Rotary Club, Lions Club, prostitute welfare organizations, Red Cross, Indian Council for Women Welfare, and National Federation of Women, Indian Women, etc. Then NGO's role, Human Rights Organization, Mahila Mandal, Kasturiba Gandhi Trust, Nehru Memorial Trust, Indira Gandhi Trust, All India Women Conference, and Mahila Sangh, Gram Mahila Sangh for villages. Then Association of Social Health in India. So then Young Women Christian Association. These are the NGOs doing vital role, only aim to promote women welfare. The role of nursing on women welfare. Students, we are nurses having speciality on women's welfare. For example, women health nursing, mainly concerning maternity health, maternal health, as well as other healthcare services, including primary healthcare nursing, family planning nursing services, try to promote and empower women and ensure to well-being of women, every section of women in our society. Family health nursing, etc. Second, child welfare. What is meant by child welfare? Detail going on. Meaning, social work aim at improve disadvantaged children. Definition: institution provide services, physical, social, psychological well-being of children. Then India, 40% Indian population children. 40% suffer from malnutrition. Infant mortality 120%, very high infant mortality. Every 7 children born, 1 child die. Just imagine, age under 5. So children are need more welfare programs and services. Various schemes offered by government as well as non-governmental organizations. Child welfare measures. Constitutional provisions, Article 25. Age 17, below 17, 14, no child below the age of 14 shall be employed the work. Which means the Constitution protect away from child labor. Then Article 39, Directive Principles, State Policy. Article 45, this ensure free and fair education, compulsory education. Then state has enacted various legislations. The Hindu Adaptation and Maintenance Act 1956. So this is a legislation provide various these procedures. How to adopt a Hindu family adopt a child legally. Then Women and Child Institution Act 1960, State Children's Act, Factories Act, Plantation Labor Act, Mines Act. These are the labor legislations. These prohibit child labor. Then Juvenile Justice Act 1986, Indian Child Welfare Act 1978. Then child welfare programs, ICDP, Integrated Child Development Program, Daycare Center for Children, Early Childhood Education, Integrated Family Welfare Program, Public Awareness Program through radio and televisions, and midday meals schemes to prevent dropout, then cultural and recreational activities. Then Integrated Child Development Program, detail about, started in 1975. The main aim is that improve nutritional status of child, then Anganwadis. Then ICDP is a project officer, mainly child development project officer concerned in charge for this. Then involvement of local community students, which is very important one. This local participation is primary for this implement this program, ICDP. Then role of NGOs, Children's Book Trust, Welfare Department, Children's Home, Indian Council for Child Welfare, then National Institute for Cooperation and Child Development set up in 1975. Then role of nurse on child welfare, primary health care, family planning, ICDP, implement government programs. So nurses having speciality to implement this program, mainly child health nursing and other community health nursing services. They aim to implement the programs as well as promote well-being of children. Then, women and child rights. The rights, constitutional rights, types of human rights, cultural, economic, political, right to life, liberty, education, etc. Then equality before law, right of association, belief, freedom to speech, information, religion, movement, nationality. Then define women rights. Promote a position of legal and social equality of women with men. Types of women rights: equality, freedom, against exploitation, freedom of religion, life, educational rights, constitutional remedies. Next, children's rights. Rights or human rights are care give to the minors or listed for, look at this, right to education. Types of child rights: standard of living, health care, education, play. Students play is a fundamental right, every mothers need to concern it. Then balanced diet, warm bed to sleep, schooling. Then right to protection from abuse and neglect, safe place for children to play. Then economic and social cultural rights. Then welfare for old age. 60 plus 60 million suffer various familial, social, economical, psychological problems. Look at this. Old age. Definition. Institution provide physical, social, economical and psychological well-being of old age. Types of elderly abuse: physical, sexual, emotional neglect, abandonment, financial abuses, self-neglect. Students, the self-neglect is one of the important type of abuse. The individual person, the age is over, they thought about neglect self and try to decreasing their activities, which cause serious effect on elderly happiness. As well as the financial, like this, financial exploitation by these in the families. Then causes of elderly abuse: family, caregiver, cultural issues, economic causes. Then programs: old age pension, medical care, housing, recreational facilities, old age home. We know that old age home in every villages. Then government welfare facilities, pension, then medical care, housing facilities, recreational facilities, then government services, pension, PF, pension, old age pension for above 65, then voluntary organizations, Help Age India, Age Care India. This is specialized NGOs only for working for old age people. Then old age homes, central and state government, municipalities, philanthropic societies, voluntary organizations, and senior citizen welfare association organized to various old age homes. Then role of nurse on old age welfare, care, for example, nursing specialization, geriatric care, only for care give to old age, cure, prevention, promotion, implement programs. Then welfare for disabled, 1.8 million people disabled, they need welfare, we know that. A definition: institution provides services, well-being of disabled. Then orthopedic, types of disabled: orthopedic and visual handicapped, mentally handicapped, hearing handicapped. Look at this pictures. The National Institution for Disabled, orthopedic institution, visual handicapped at Dehradun, mentally handicapped at Secunderabad, hearing handicapped at Bombay. Look at this, symbols expressing. Braille is a language for blind. Rehabilitation Council, Ministry of Social Welfare. Then syllabus organized for disabled, mainly Braille language syllabuses. In district rehabilitation centers in 1983, lymph manufacturing, and training for every these NGOs. Then welfare measures loan 3% reservation. Students, this is a very important one. 3% reservation for every government job for disabled and 10 years relaxation. Normal person 30 years enter in a job, but disabled can enter in 40 years. So is then traveling. When you travel in a bus, we could see that Unamuttu with his handicapped. In train, separate coach for handicapped welfare. Okay. Then for traveling, then allotment of housing facilities, then scholarship, free aid, Braille library, home, sports for in this Olympic, Para Olympic, then awards to social workers, then role of nurses for welfare disabilities, care, prevention, rehabilitation, implement government programs. Then welfare for the drug addicts, family factors. Main cause of drug addiction is the family factors and stress. Then age group 16 to 35, poverty, disease, deprivation. Welfare measures control multi-dimensional methods, referral services, treatment, public awareness, and education. Then welfare program for addicts, awareness, prohibitions, involvement of family, then strict legislation, administrative measures, mainly law, Narcotic Drugs and Psychiatric Substance Act 1985, having punishment for misuse of drugs. Enforcement of agencies, State Policy Authority, Narcotic Control Bureau, Commissioner for India, Economic Intelligence, then Customs, Excise, Ministry of Finance is control this narcotic department. Then welfare for SC and ST, as we know that we had been learned in social stratification, caste system. Then vulnerable groups means defenseless group. Classifications: elderly, handicapped, minority group, another SC, ST, child. The vulnerable group welfare we had been learned. Now we are going to be detail about welfare for these minorities. Okay, welfare for minorities. Who is minority? Not constituted a politically dominant voting majority to population of given society. Already we had been learned in the social groups, minority groups, types: racial, religious, gender, age, disabled minorities, linguistic minorities, etc. Characteristics: discrimination. Majority people discriminate minority people. Then cultural traits are disapproved by these majorities. Then collective identity. Then socially shared rules. For example, in Tamil Nadu, Malayalis are minorities. In Kerala, Tamilians are minorities. Concerning this, the linguistic minorities. So linguistic minority is most important in India. The reason is that lot of language in India. The next character is marry within the group, which cause the less sphere of match choice. Next, sociology of minorities is physical and cultural characteristics of singled out. Due to culture, the minority peoples are singled out by majorities. Then welfare measures, look at this: constitutional remedies, reservation, separate department for linguistic minorities, special permission for educational welfare institutions, Prime Minister 15-point program. Students, mainly this concerning constitutional measures. Article 29, interest of minorities, protect. Article 39, administrator, educational institutions. Minorities can build educational institution for empowering their groups. Article 347, linguistic minorities can speak their own language, mother tongue, everywhere in India. And Article 350 represents for redress of grievance, which means we can ask government any questions regarding the grievances by their own languages. For example, New Delhi, MPs speak which language in our Indian Parliament? Students, anybody? Which language speak in Indian Parliament?
Hindi.
No, no, no. That is
English,
a
English.
misconception. Nothing. Every language can use. We can Tamil in Tamil. We can speak in Tamil. We can speak in Malayalam as well as in Kannadam. Every language used to speak in Indian Parliament, which is a rights. Okay, students. Okay, students.
தெரியுமா?
So yes, immediate translation is available, which is a linguistic minorities rights. There is no minorities. Everybody can equal opportunities for speak their own mother tongue in the parliament, which is a, this beauty of democracy in India. So the constitution protect the minority languages. Then Article 350A, mother tongue, primary for everyone. Then Article 350B, appointment of by president for special officer for linguistic minorities. You know, the linguistic minorities welfare can be studied by the special officer and provide the various welfare measures to linguistic minorities. The National Commission for Linguistic Minorities. So this is a commission has been protect the minorities welfare, not only this linguistic as well as religious, ethical, etc. Look at this. These religious minorities, Sikh, Muslim, Christians are linguistic these religious minorities in India. We know that the scholarship for these minorities, then institution for minority welfare. First institution, constitutional statutory bodies, commissioner for linguistic minorities, Central Waqf Council. Do you know that, Muslims?
ரெட் கலர்ல வந்துட்டு
Yes, CWC.
சரி
Yes, Central Waqf Council for Muslims minorities. Then Commission for Minorities, National Commission for Minorities. Then autonomous bodies, MAEF. Then NCRLM, joint venture. Then NMDFC. Then conclusion, the well-being of individuals. The social problem determine well-being of individual, which is affect health status of people. Then planning. These social problems can solve by means of planning, protection, security, etc. So concept of social problem essential should be applied in every aspect of nursing. Okay, the nurses should be know about it and apply this care, cure, prevention, and promotion. Determine well-being of individual. The nurses doing primary role to solve the social problems and promote well-being of every sections of population and every sections and every regions. Then create positive society and peace and development. So we are nurses, we are doing fundamental role to solve the social problems and promote welfare in our society. Then important questions going on. Define following: social disorganization, social problem, poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, crime, juvenile delinquency, drug addiction, homelessness, urbanization, problem of food supply, overpopulation, child abuse, child labor, and child planning, social welfare. List the following: characteristics, causes of social disorganization, sources, and types of social problem, causes of poverty, types of poverty. Then causes of unemployment and crime, types of juvenile delinquency. Various questions are available. Then I would like to, time is over, then like to this no, just I will be upload this one already, that these all the questions are available in the books. Look at this, students. Then next unit test. Thank you everyone, have a wonderful day.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.